You couldn't pay me $100 million to be on someone else's terms or to tell me what to do and where to be. It's very important to follow the people who have similar values to you, otherwise you'll experience frustration, comparison, confusion and incongruence. So the focus here that must be done. If you want to live a fully congruent life and being your unique ability is the unfollow people who don't have similar values, then you do so. Let me give you an example. Now figure out who you relate to, respect in and get the best knowledge and wisdom from and stay following them. But if their lifestyle is different than yours and their unique abilities a lot different than yours, it's gonna be very hard to stay congruent. So let me give you an example. Everyone has a different type of character or a different persona about them, right? And who you respect is usually who you become. Gary Vaynerchuk, for example, is about hustle, 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 authenticity, yes, impact, marketing, no BS, but it's hard work, long days, weekends. He'll travel to a different country for a speech, and instead of maximizing his experience and going to sightsee, he'll go right home that same day. So he's all about the business, right? So? Tim Ferriss is about flexibility, travel, financial freedom, innovation, adventure, pushing the limits, right? He values lifestyle, flexibility. Gary Vee values hustle. So based on people's core values is how they portray themselves to the world. So me, I'm family autonomy, impact, financial freedom. I'm about knowing yourself, but I'm all about lifestyle more than just financial freedom. So Grant Cardone, for example, is all about 10xing everything, real estate, a ton of money, power, influence, which is great, right? MJ DeMarco, who wrote the book Millionaire Fastlane, is lifestyle, autonomy, passive income, traveling, lifestyle, autonomy, passive income, traveling. So his values are different than Gary being Grant's, right? So Marie Forleo, impact, lifestyle, family, travel, legacy. So you know who you relate to the most, but let me give you an example of the power of this. As I was coming up, I started realizing that I loved flexibility and autonomy. I got more done. I was more resourceful, more focused, happier, more fulfilled, when I didn't have to do anything. When I had flexibility, not that I didn't get things done, I just liked the ability to do it on my terms. So you couldn't pay me $100 million to be on someone else's terms or to tell me what to do and where to be. I want to be on my turn. So I have a son now, and I know for a fact when he's 7, 8, 9, 10, I want to coach his basketball games, soccer games, baseball games. I want to be around, and if there's people out there that are all about the hustle and grind 24/7 and they're 40, 50, 60 years old and they're working 100 hours a week, working weekends, I don't want to be like that. I don't want to work 100 hours when I'm 50 and 60. I want to spend time with my kids and my wife and family and travel and be able to work where I want to work, so there's no purpose for me to follow people that hustle 100 hours a week. That's the difference. I want to follow people who value family, value world class, value flexibility. Yes, I like financial freedom. Yes, I want to follow people that are making 50 or 100 million, but not at the expense of their family, of their values or of their lifestyle. Hey, what's up? Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this video in this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Put the notifications on, and I assure you you'll love this content in these videos.